Hi everybody, my name's Birch. I'm from Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I thought I'd step out here and get a bit of fresh air. Been in the office most of the day, talk to the guys, and a lot of the most common question is why should we attend EVENTI? It's our 8th birthday, of course. And it's quite an achievement to be around after 8 years, considering the last few years have been pretty hard at any business, and with COVID and of course the downturn in the economies and of course the conflicts around the world. But once again, it's our celebration, guys. We'll be celebrating our past, our present and our future. So it's definitely worthwhile coming along and listening to that on Saturday. And don't forget Sunday. You're going to have all the top leaders on there talking about how they built their businesses in their own countries. And you're going to pick up nuggets of how they did that, because we are MLCI, which is a hybrid of all the business models out there in the world. And we build our businesses a little bit different to everybody else. So once again, guys, Sunday's another big day for us, and it's worthwhile coming on board and listening to us. But it's our celebration, guys. Come along and see the heart and soul of the company. You won't regret it. Once again, guys, my name's Ian Birch, and I'll see you on EVENTI. Thank you.